In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install PHP in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google PHP, and if you just scroll down, we'll be having this php.net. This is the official site. So just click here, and here click on downloads. If you just scroll down over here, we're having the latest version, which is PHP 8.5.2. Scroll down again, we'll be having this thread safe version, and here we are having the zip option. Click it. It is around 33 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just go to the downloads folder, right click and just select extract all. Click on extract. So once it has been extracted, just right click, cut it and just paste it inside your local disk C or any other disk that you have. Now again go inside it, and we need to copy this particular path. So just click here, copy it, go to search, type environment. We'll be having this edit the system environment variables. Open it, and here under system properties, click on environment variables. So here either under user variables or system variables, you'll be having this path. Select this and click on edit, and now just click on new and paste this particular path. Click on OK everywhere. Here also. Now just open command prompt, and now if I just run the command php space ---- version and hit enter, as you can see, I'm not getting any errors, and here we are getting the PHP version that we have installed on our system. So now here I am inside my Visual Studio Code. I've just opened a empty folder. I'll just create a new file. So let me name it as demo with the extension .php. Alright, and here let me just write some PHP code. So this is my code that I'm having, a simple hello world program, and let me just open the terminal. So for running the program, it's going to be PHP space your file name with the extension. So it's going to be demo.php and hit enter. That's it. I'm getting the hello world being printed in the console. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.